Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're kind of getting into the middle of summer here, aren't we?
I think it's full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead, yes,
scorching.
exactly. It seems like we got a lot of hot weather here in Europe, and not only, but also here in Warsaw where we're at. So we hope you're all keeping hydrated, enjoying the week, and it's almost good we have air conditioning, I think, huh?
Yeah, I'd rather be in here.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. So anyway, there's a big barbecue last week here at at our offices here, the Newark offices. Very nice event, and we appreciate them doing such a good job, and Hubert Abt inviting so many nice people. A lot going on with all of our events. We have the CRE Awards coming up next, October 20th in Budapest, covering that whole region. So, of course, Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Slovenia, a lot of countries involved in this event. A lot of nominations already starting to come in, and we got, I think, around 25 jury members already. So a lot of investors and developers looking at the market, and we'll talk more about that. That's 2 weeks after Expo Real, and then the 27th we have our flagship event, the Cee Investment Awards, which is taking place here in Warsaw. So we hope to see everyone at that, and of course our magazines. We are the international media partner of Expo Real, which is the biggest real estate expo in Europe, and that takes place at the beginning of October, one day after Oktoberfest. So there'll be an Oktoberfest this year. So and of course be going to it. So be also hydrating there.
So to look forward to.
So anyway, it'd be nice to go kicking off October of. A lot of real estate events. It really is the event, the month of investment for commercial real estate. So we want to see everyone involved in that. Next week, I'm in Budapest, and the 4th through the 8th. So if you're in Budapest, please let me know. We definitely like to come by and see your team and meet everyone, find out what's going on. And we got a lot of news on today, and we're here. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig. How are you doing today?
Made it through half the week and a couple more days to go. So far,
you're doing well.
So far, so good. Yes. And so we'll be right back. We'll show you a little commercial. We'll be right back with Winston Norman. And how is the news today? Exciting?
Always exciting.
And some exciting news.
Wouldn't be here otherwise.
Just checking. So stay tuned. You got the agreement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. Okay, so welcome back, and as Winston said, we have a lot of exciting news today. So Winston, let's just jump right in, yeah?
Thanks, Craig. And Immo Finance have presented their latest strategy following the majority takeover by the CPI Property Group. And the company plans to continue its value-creating growth strategy with a strong focus on retail properties and office solutions. And as part of its active portfolio management, it plans to sell around 1 billion euros worth of its portfolio.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. And then it's going to invest those proceeds into high yielding properties. And this is also could go hand in hand with their ESG activities. They're going to be strengthening those. And according to Immo Finance, the company's growth course will be supported by a robust financial base, which is always important.
It is important.
The focus for new financing in the current market environment placed above all on long-term bank financing. So good luck with that one. And and according to Radka Doring, she's the member of the executive board at Immo Finance. She says, with Stop Shop, Vivo, and MyHive, we have first-rate innovative brands and real estate solutions to optimally meet the wishes and requirements of our tenants and customers. Our goal is to now further expand this strong position.
Sounds like a very good quote and a very good way forward.
Yeah, I mean, these are very recognisable brands throughout the region, and these are the ones they're hanging on to. And they've got great scope for expansion there.
A lot of excitement, I think, now with Immo Finance being owned by CPI and watching the changes unfold. Yeah,
yeah, they've got an awful lot to play with. And moving to Prague, and Immo has recorded strong tenant demand for office properties in Prague, especially at the River City Prague campus. Two of the buildings there, Mississippi House and Missouri Park, which were both completed in the summer of 2021. They're both fully leased.
Those are states, by the way, in the United States.
Yeah, really? That's good. Yeah,
little.
Nothing to do with Prague then, in the Czech Republic.
Other than there's two buildings there, I
Maybe
guess.
they've been fully leased to American tenants.
Could be.
But yeah, they were. So these buildings were delivered last year in the summer, and now they're fully let. So this has been a very strong period for them on the letting front. So a good sign that tenants are returning to the office complexes, and there's obviously a lot of work from home and hybrid in the process. But
leasing them out from last year, that's pretty
yeah, well,
impressive.
Since the first 5 months of this year, they've closed 18 deals, and in 7 properties in Prague, and mostly these are new leases,
right?
And they've leased around 16,200 square meters. So these are kind of smaller requirements, I guess, but still a lot of traction going on.
Right. Well, everyone talking poorly about the office market. Truly, they haven't talked to these guys.
Well, yeah, maybe they're not looking at Prague, and and some of the companies that have gone in, a lot of international companies are going into the properties there. They've got Ad Astra, a cybersecurity software firm, Sentinel One, law firms Allen Overy and Bird & Bird.
And didn't Newark also just open a new office there? I think they did. Yeah.
Yeah, I think they have. Yeah, I think they have.
I'll have to come visit it next time I'm.
Yeah, we'll probably have some more news on that tomorrow, I think.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah, and moving to Romania, and CTP have delivered 35,000 square meters of logistics and warehouse space near Bucharest. This is a built-to-suit warehouse, and it's called CT Park Mogozoia. And it's for the pharmacy chain A&D Pharma, which is part of the Dr. Max group. And this new warehouse, according to CTP, is one of the largest for the pharmaceutical company to date. And it's an investment of over 30 million euros. And now CTP has a portfolio in the Bucharest region of around 1.5 million square meters, and over the whole country, 2.1 million square meters. So very busy time for CTP in Romania.
Yeah, I think they're by far leading, aren't they, in Romania?
I think they are the biggest industrial developer in that country for sure.
Well, Romania is the place for stuff like that.
Seems to be good pricing, very good pricing. And finally for today, staying in the warehouse industry, and Heliand, a global distributor of connectors, relays and terminal blocks, has leased around 4,000 square meters in Hillwood, Myslovic, which is in Poland, and this lease transaction was brokered by Cushman & Wakefield. And according to Magdalena Ostrowska, she's the leasing manager at Hillwood Polska, she says Upper Silesia is the second largest and most important logistics market in Poland, just after Warsaw. It saw close to 1.2 million square meters of modern industrial warehouse space leased in the whole of 2021, benefits from its prime location and road constructions, and it's attracting strong levels of interest from retailers, manufacturers, as well as logistics, automotive, and e-commerce companies.
All right. Well, it's good to hear Hillwood's doing so well.
Isn't it? Isn't it just?
It is. Okay, so thank you all. I guess that's all we have for the news. You ended up on Hillwood, yeah?
Ended on Hillwood for today.
Good. Thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. Like I said, very hot, middle of summer here. At least it seems like middle of summer. So enjoy yourselves, take it easy, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.